All right, folks. Season recap so far. It is December 7th. Again, we're here in Austin, Travis County. Buddy that I hung with, Alex, got a buck on the ground opening weekend. I think it was November 8th. Good 8-pointer. We have quite a few 8-pointers coming to the feeders. I would say 3 or 4 legal bucks. One is definitely bigger than all the other. Big 8-point, big wide, big horn. Another one we had was a really good 10-point. He actually got into a fight recently. I saw him on the cell cam, or the Moultrie cell cams, and he broke half his side off. So he's a 5-point now. He would have been a great 10-point. I think he'd be a good one next year. I think he's about 4 years old. Anyways, just thought I'd give you a quick update. Also, a couple hogs in the ground. We have a big hog problem out there. Every time we throw corn out, it seems like they're the first ones to hit it. So we are trying to have some buddies come and have a good experience and try to get them their first hog. So we're heading out to the lease. We're gonna throw some corn out, mess with one of these 5-point trail cams, take you guys along for the ride. We're on I-35 right now. We're kind of riding slow. We should be there any minute. This right here is our blind, little blind we hung out of. It was already here when we got the lease. A little makeshift steps with the ladder right there. She's not much, but she does the job. Right here we got another one of our spots. We're in one of these Moultrie cams. I'll go get you a little bit closer shot here in a second. There's the blinds. Cord. Put some cord in the road. This is that Mummy's deer corn from HEB, apple scented, 50-pound bag. That's what we've been using out here, working like a charm. 3 bags down. Let's go. This is our third spot. We have 3 feeders going right now. Blind's back there. See it? Got the truck. Got the feeder right here. Let's fill her up. What's up, folks? So that was a quick overview, a little snippet of getting that land ready. It's Friday, a little bit hot today. It's about 69 degrees again here in Austin, Texas. Cold front coming through on Sunday. It should get down to 39. Even Monday, it should get down to 34. We're gonna try to hunt both mornings, if not definitely Monday. Area's prepped. You saw the work. This video will continue Monday morning. Follow along.